This is an introduction to the W3C, the World Wide Web Consortium. Every day, we use objects or consume products that have been developed using standards. For example, health and safety standards reduce accidents in the workplace. Food safety standards prevent our food from being contaminated. And transportation standards help us travel safely. While most standards improve products and the environments around us, the W3C creates standards that improve the World Wide Web. The web is a vital communication tool that is accessed by more than 4 billion people from all different walks of life. Its growth and usability can be contributed to the efforts and recommendations implemented by the W3C. But wait, let me tell you a little more. So, who is the W3C? They are an international community of over 435 member organizations, mostly from within the IT industry, who play a role in shaping the web. As stated on their website, w3.org, their mission is to lead the World Wide Web to its full potential by developing protocols and guidelines that ensure the long-term growth of the web. So what does the W3C do? Basically, they help design the tools needed to build the web. They develop web technologies and encourage compatibility from one network or database to another. Their standards are what makes the web work so that anyone, anywhere can share information. When was the W3C created and why? The W3C was founded in 1994 by the inventor of the World Wide Web, Sir Tim Berners-Lee. He wanted to improve the quality and standards of the web and to make sure anyone, anywhere, could access it for free, without permission. He is the director of the consortium to this day. Where is the W3C located? They don't occupy a single location, but staff are located around the world, with most working at one of the 4 institutions who host the W3C, in the United States, France, Japan, and China. How exactly does the W3C improve the web? One of the main goals of the W3C is to make the benefits of the web available to all people, regardless of their age, what language they speak, their physical location, the type of hardware or software they use, or their physical or mental ability. The W3C has researched and developed the standards that help make it easier for people with disabilities to use the web. For example, closed captioning and screen readers are available technologies to those with hearing or vision impairments. The W3C also provides developer resources and education. For example, HTML and CSS are languages used to build web pages. It is essential for all web developers to know how to write code with these languages so their pages are readable by different web browsers. The W3C guides developers to create perceivable, operable, understandable content with clear, consistent layout and design, all which makes for a better user experience for everyone. The W3C also works on privacy and security guidelines that websites should follow. They aim to protect users' privacy and data. They define how to share data securely using encryption and document authentication. What would the web be like without standards? Web pages would have no structure or organization. They'd be created in different ways using different coding languages and may not even be viewable in your browser. Lack of uniformity and compatibility would make the web too frustrating and difficult to use, limiting its benefits to society. The W3C provides harmony within the web, collaborates with users from all industries and backgrounds to innovate and create standards that provide the best possible web experience for all.